In this video, we will cover how to remove and replace your DL200 battery. This unit in particular is a DL200 Hybrid Silver. Each DL200 adjacent to the charging port has an area where the housing meets the rest of the body. You take one of your tools that you receive with your DL200 battery replacement. It does take a little bit of pressure, but you place that thin end into the end of the housing where it separates from the rest of the body. Once you've got it snapped in place, you may put pressure down from the tool and run your finger along with that tool to help guide it. You may hear a few snaps, and once you reach the top edge of the snap, the housing should come loose from the rest of the body. That can be just placed and set aside. The battery does take a small amount of pressure to get it out. A slight tap will help you get a corner out, and then you can pull right from the base of those wires to remove your old battery. Replace the battery in the same way where you removed it, plugging in those 3 pin connectors first. Now you can tuck your wire underneath the battery itself so that these wires are no longer exposed and they will not get pinched when you reattach the housing. You may take your housing that we just removed, place it right over, snap one end in, place pressure on that end that you just snapped, and go ahead and snap the rest of it in. Run your fingers on each edge of the snaps and make sure that it's securely snapped in place. Check the tactility of your switches. Everything feels good. Should be good to go. And that's how you replace your DL200 battery.